Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to a Decentralized Bull Channel. Today, we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price, which is sitting around $70,000. We are going to talk about my future price target, resistance zone, support zone. We're going to talk about some interesting altcoins that I think are very interesting to take a look at, especially now before the altcoin season. I think altcoin season is literally around the corner. It's probably going to come in around very soon, probably 1 to 3 months, I think, after Ethereum breaks its all-time high. We're also going to talk about the probability that the Ethereum ETF gets approved, and we will also talk about some strategies for taking profits for the bull peak. So make sure you stay tuned at the end, share this video with your friends, like, make some noise for the algorithm, and always be happy, enjoy, be grateful for life. Life is amazing, so always try to be grateful, try to stay in a happy state of mind. And without further ado, let's jump straight into Bitcoin charts. Right now we can see here Bitcoin sitting at 70,130. We had a little bit of a retracement from yesterday. We went to almost $72,000 yesterday, and then we dipped down below here a little bit to 69,000 actually, so like a $3,000 drop. That's like 4% around, and now we bounced back already here, and we're sitting at $70,000. This bounce back is a quite nice sign that the market will still probably go up. I expect to create a new leg here up to the upside. Let's see this direction right here. Let's see how it will play out or not. The thing is, let's see what do we have here. We can expect probably a move from, I would say, from here to here to the 72,500. That's around the 6% move to the upside. Quite amazing opportunity out there. I think this will probably play out. If not, we can also move here back to the 58, which is only a 2% move to the downside, or maybe the $67,000 Bitcoin. That's like a 3% move on Bitcoin, which is also not so tragic as long as we don't create a lower low. So this would be the low, and if we would go below that, we would create a lower low, and it will indicate another consolidation move. So let's see if that will happen or not. For now, I'm still remaining quite bullish. I think the news that we got yesterday, that the SEC is not in control of the crypto regulations anymore. Now it's in the hand of the Department of Commerce. That's quite amazing news. I think that's why market also pumped a lot. Also, people are expecting the Ethereum ETF to get approved. Let's go and take a look at Ethereum right now. We can see Ethereum, huge pump. Like yesterday, we pumped from $3,000 to up to 3,800, and that's around 22% move. Quite amazing. Quite nice for all the Ethereum holders out there. 20% in less than 8 hours. That's quite amazing profits there. With a 10x leverage, that would be already 200%, 220% in profit. So quite amazing opportunities always in the crypto market. So make sure you learn, you watch my videos, and be always open for new knowledge. It's very important to learn everything new. Nobody knows everything. That's why you can always learn every day. Even me, I'm learning every day more and more. I'm getting better and better. That's the goal. You don't want to stagnate. You don't want to stay in the same place forever. Now, let's take a look what would be the next price target for Ethereum. Yeah, the next price target would be at $4,100. That's quite certain. Let's see when I think that will be reached. That's interesting. Oh, this is the cup and handle formation. Also, once we break the cup and handle formation, we can expect a $7,000 to $8,000 Ethereum actually. So let's see if that will play out or not. In my opinion, it's definitely possibly. My bull run prediction for Ethereum is around $10,000 to $12,000, maybe even more depending how strong the bull is. Now the next support zone would be around here, 3,344. That's the next support zone. Now let's take a look also at Optimism, which I think it's still super cheap to buy right now. It's just on a blink of also cup and handle formation here. We can see it, boom. Let's quickly draw it. So from here to here, and I think here it's probably going to create another handle, and it will probably move to the upside again. So quite amazing opportunities here also on Optimism. Let's see if this will play out or not. For now, we can see Optimism is definitely in an uptrend here. We can literally see it from here to here. This is the uptrend. We can come back and touch this line, of course, and then still move to the upside. For now, the big resistance also the top of the line here, I would say also $3.43. That's where the next big resistance will be, but I expect the price to go there very soon. And even if we go there, we can see from here to there is quite a nice move. So let's say you would buy this optimism here at $2.80, then you can still make 21% on spot. And just so you know, Ethereum went 20%, and usually layer ones are a little bit delayed. So that's why this is a huge opportunity. We saw Ethereum pumping 20%, then we will probably see the layer ones also pumping around 20% or even higher percentages in the next couple of days. That's almost certain. Like that's always how it happens. Money moves to Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then layer ones, then mid caps, small caps, meme coins. That's how it usually goes. So quite huge opportunities to buy some cheap layer ones right now. I'm buying definitely Optimism, Arbitrum, Stacks, Bitcoin layer one, Matic. I'm buying a lot every single day almost. Then we have here Soil, one of my favorite RWA projects, which also broke out of the falling wedge. So right now we can expect a huge move to the upside. Let's see. My price prediction, price target is around $3.60. So quite huge upside potential. Then we have Say here. I also think Say will definitely go. We have here also inverse head and shoulders here. That it's about to break the neckline. The neckline is here. So let's see. Once we break this neckline, we can expect a price target of 75 cents. Besides, I already have a trade on Say, which is doing quite amazing, around 1,700 percentage in the profit. Quite amazing. Arbitrum here also 20% up already here on the move. You can see boom from here to here. 21%, quite amazing move out there also for Arbitrum. So you can literally make crazy gains on the market right now with leverage or without. VIF, I think also is quite an amazing buy right now because VIF is one of the new hyped meme tokens out there. So for now, I expect meme, and we can see VIF is on a nice trend line here. Let's quickly up. From here we can see VIF is on a nice trend line. We can go back and touch this point here on the 256, but I expect VIF to just continue moving up in this trend line back to the $4 or even higher. So let's see what else we have here. Render back above $11. Partisia also very nice, 40 cents. And let's go over to Doge, guys. Doge back at 17 cents, guys. Look at this amazing pump on Doge, guys. Look at this. But what was this? It had a nice dip here. Oh, interesting. So it dipped a little bit on the 21st of May. It dipped to 13.8 and then it pumped back 25%, which is quite impressive. Quite impressive move, guys. So opportunities out there, and you can see here it dipped exactly to the price it dipped before. That's why technical analysis is an important skill to learn, because if you would have already a buy order here at this price, you would have made already 24% on spot. Like literally, if you put $1 million into this trade, you could have made $240,000 in profit. Quite amazing opportunities out there. Now I want to explain to you how to take profits in the bull market. So the most important thing about taking profits, it's one of the most important skills also in crypto. You need to take profits. And me personally, I like to take profits in Bitcoin. So let's say I'm buying an altcoin. Let's say I bought Optimism at $1 and now it's sitting at $2.80. Now I would slowly start selling some, taking some profits into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is one of the safest cryptos out there, and it doesn't have so big volatility as the altcoins, because altcoins are very volatile. They can go down 30, 40, 50, 60%. Even now we have many altcoins that are still 50% down from the local top we had 2 months ago. So still, very volatile. Bitcoin only went down 22% in comparison, and now it's almost back at the all-time high. So quite amazing price stability and moves. So that's why I like taking profits into Bitcoin. If you want to go very safe, you just go buy at $1. Once the altcoin doubles, you can sell 50% into Bitcoin and let the rest of keep the moon bag, how you say it in crypto, for future profits. That's what you can also say. And I also like DCAing out. I like DCAing into projects, and I like DCAing out when I think the market is quite overbought. I know you can see it also on the RSI. You can start taking some profits slowly, put some chips on the side, and just already create some orders, because like usually you can have also like a flash dip. Just a flash dip, you can make some orders 20% below, on some altcoins, like we saw the one on Doge just before, it went to 13 cents. You can just make some nice entry buy orders like that, and that's how you can literally multiply the portfolio, taking profits and buying lower. So that's how you compound. Now, that's what it is for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye.